Hey my love, so I am back with yet another DIY video for you guys, and this time I'm just personalizing a bottle for my son, and it's just a bottle that I got in one of his packages that came. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I enjoyed making this. So let's get into the video. So I got this bottle out of a sample pack that he received, and it's just a ma'am bottle. I already used my Cricut machine to cut out his name and the designs that I wanted to use on the bottle. Cut the images out. I have a jersey, a football, his name, and a football helmet. But I'm gonna take this image. I'm gonna try to just stick them on there. I don't know. I know it's sticky, so I'm guessing it will stay. It's a little fairly sticky, not too sticky. And I'm just gonna stick them all that way, because I can see I got some more practice to do. And there's a bubble in there I'm trying to get out. And I'm gonna use the little scraper because there's like a little air pocket in there. And the air pocket could be because it has these little like hole grooves kind of design on it. So I don't know. But yeah. And I'm just going around these little grooves so it doesn't look like it has an air pocket in it. So I might have to actually go in and take his name off. Yeah, so what's gonna bother me is because the football, I won't be able to lay it exactly where it is. And you see how this jersey is, it has all these little lines, and I don't want to mess it up. So let's see. I'm gonna put the football right here, and again I'm just gonna peel it off. I just can't believe that I can't get that name off of this. It's really bothering me. And I did use my Cricut to cut these images. And I'm loving it, y'all, because I could just see so many things that I'm gonna be making. And this is why I kind of want to transfer, because I want to get it even. A little perfectionist when it comes to that. And this vinyl that I'm using now is some vinyl I ordered offline. It wasn't even Cricut, but I wanted to see how it would do since it was cheaper. And I think it did amazing. I also have, this vinyl is the Dollar Tree vinyl, and I think it sticks good as well. And it's not even vinyl from the Dollar Tree, it's a book cover. I just seen the hack and I was like, okay, yeah, so let me go try this. So there's the football. So now he has his helmet, he has his football. So here I'm just gonna peel his letters off and place them on the white part of the bottle. making sure to try to line them up as straight as possible. And now I have this little jersey, and I'm gonna put it there. I should have did like light blue. This is this little football field, and it gave me a time because there is a lot of little pieces that I had to use this little tool to push out. But I'm gonna place that down on the bottom. Then I'm gonna take the scraper and just run across it just to make sure that it lays nice and flat with no air bubbles. And now I'm gonna work on this jersey. I really didn't want to add the jersey because there is a lot of small pieces, but I did go ahead and do it because it was an essential part of the bottle. And once I have that laid down, I'm gonna go in and take the scraper the same way I did with the rest, and I'm gonna scrape it just to make sure that everything lays down without any air bubbles. So he has his football field. Get a little closer. His football field, his football, his jersey, and his name. And that is my finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.